Hey, it's Chef Carla here. We are at Hilton Health in the Healthy Kitchen, and today we're making a sushi bowl. This is by far one of our most popular recipes here at Hilton Health. You're going to love it. So today we're going to go ahead and start with an ahi tuna. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to sear it. So preheat it for about 10 seconds on about medium-high heat. Then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, about 1/4 teaspoon per person. You can use your spatula to spread the oil out on the pan so that you don't have to use more than you need. Then I'll go ahead and add our ahi tuna. So when I add the tuna, I want to hear that sound, a really nice sizzle. That's perfect. Since it's a sushi bowl, we're going to take advantage of our fish. We have a great cut of fish here, so we're going to serve it rare. I'm going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides, and I want my centerpiece to be nice and cold in the center. So once you start to see a little bit of that meat cooking on the first layer, we're going to go ahead and remove it and flip it. And we'll go for about 1 more minute on this side. All right, the ahi tuna looks perfect. I've got a nice sear on both sides. It's perfectly rare in the center. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and let this ahi tuna rest for a moment, and let's start building the bowl. So to start, I'm using a purple cabbage. This is our first step of just adding volume with vegetables. This dish is going to look much more satisfying with color as well as nutrition, and it's going to be more filling with these veggies. You can use purple cabbage or even some green cabbage would work excellent. Then we're going to go ahead and add some edamame. This is going to bulk up some protein, add a really great texture and some beautiful color. Then we have our sushi rice. It's a brown sushi rice. It has a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of sugar to give it that sushi flavor we know and love from our favorite sushi restaurant. Opting for a brown rice is going to add a lot more fiber and protein to your meal, which is going to make you feel fuller, longer. Score. Go ahead and add that to the bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together. So now that 1 serving of rice looks like it's much larger because it's introduced with all those veggies. We're going to go ahead and dress this mixture with our ginger soy dressing. It's a really nice, simple dressing that's great on not only our sushi bowl, but some other favorite recipes. Go ahead and mix this together. And then we'll go ahead and make a nice little mound in the middle of our bowl. And now let's go ahead and head back to our ahi tuna and slice that up. Slicing it on a bias is just going to make it look even more beautiful, exposing that perfectly cooked protein. And we'll go ahead and fan it on top. And then we'll surround our bowl with more veggies. We have some cucumber here and some carrots. Now we're going to go ahead and top it with 1/4 of an avocado. I'm just going to fan it out on top of our beautiful tuna. We'll finish it with some black and white sesame seeds just for a little texture and beautiful color contrast. And a little bit of sriracha. It adds a nice heat to it, a nice little warmth. And that is it, a beautiful sushi bowl. Enjoy, thanks for watching.